everyone, this is Katie. It's very nice to see you again. Today I want to show you one of our orders in Korea. The order is P2.5 Indoor Display, which is used our simple steel cabinet. Now you can see the effect of this screen is really great. And you know why many customers choose our steel cabinet? It's because the simple steel cabinet has some solid advantages. First off, the simple steel cabinet is really good at being cost-friendly. So if your project has a tight budget, this one is perfect for you. And it helps keep costs in check nicely. Second, it has a simple structure. There is no back door, no farms. That's why it's lightweight. It is only around 25 kg per square meter. This lightweight doesn't just save you money on shipping. It also makes installation way easier. One thing to note, it's mostly for indoor use. If you want to use it outside, you definitely need to take waterproofing measures. Third, the simple steel cabinet lets you customize it flexibly. You can adjust its size to match different screen types. Like for P2.5 Indoor Display, you can make the cabinet 640 by 960 mm or 960 by 960 mm just based on the module size. That way, it fits perfectly. Thanks for your time for watching our video. If you are interested in, please kindly let us know.